Fiesta Chicken Nugget. Paling enak, paling kusuka. Fiesta Chicken Nugget. Aku mau setiap hari. Fiesta.
Oh, why are you guys still here? Aw, that's so cute that you remembered I owe you guys a kiss. Anya, Nana, and Yumi. You guys do realize that I'm literally a succubus, right? You don't want to get me all fired up, hmm? Okay then, if that's what you guys want, why don't you guys come here a bit closer, one by one? The first one is for Yumi. Come here, Yumi. Yeah, that one's for you, Yumi. The next one is for Nana. Get a bit closer, won't you, Nana? And last but not least, this one's personally for Anya. Come, Anya, come here. Doesn't that kiss feel amazing, guys? So there you go. 3 kisses for 3 of my besties. Now, here's what I want you guys to do, okay? I want you guys to go to bed. Tuck yourself in and be as comfortable as you can, okay? I'll promise to visit you guys in your dreams one by one. We're gonna have lots and lots of fun, okay? So, good night, my besties. Sweet dreams.